Hi, in this video, I'm going to unbox the Olay Regenerist Deep Cleansing, the cleanser brush right here. So let's take a look. When you buy this one, what do you actually get inside the box? So it's got some wrapping here that I'm just going to cut it off. And another one right here. So I'm just going to open it up. And you can pull this one out. You can purchase this one for $30. So this is the machine right here. You got the brush. It's also come with a battery, which is great. Sometimes you don't get the batteries, but this one come with a battery. You got the head brush right here as well. So you got a head brush. Okay, let's have a look at the machine itself. So there is a power button, on off button. Another button down here as well. And then I suppose you put your brush head right into this one. Just like so. And we have to put in the battery in here. So I'm going to see how we can open up this one to put in the battery. Okay, so the way we open up this one here is we're just going to have to rock it side to side like that. So you just have to kind of like wiggle it left to right, and it will come off. And then we can put in the battery. So the positive go on this right hand side and negative go on the left hand side. And then make sure that you put in the right one as well, so you can see where there is a spring. That one goes into the negative. And then as soon as I put in this one here, I start working straight away. So I can press on the power button. So the next one, probably the speed. So there's only two speeds, slow and fast. Okay, I found out inside this box here there is also this tube on the inside. So on the inside, it's right next to here. This cleansing tube. So inside this, you also get this skin renewal cleanser tube, so you can use it with the brush.